Introducing our new combination all-in-one hard tonneau cover with a built-in adjustable, patented, and patent-pending HC-100 hardcover rack system. The only combination available anywhere. It's the best of both worlds. Its unique all-steel design gives you easy access to the truck bed and also offers a built-in permanent ladder rack that can be quickly employed when needed. Our systems go up and down in minutes with easy gas struts as well as weather-tight. This cover never has to be removed due to its unique hinge design and allows triple the bed volume. Also offering an over-the-cab rack extension for long cargo. A powder-coated resistant construction rack allows you to promote your company name on the side for company branding. Cover is available in gloss aluminum or black powder coating. Rack quickly, stores out of sight when not in use, and lock it up so that your valuables are safe and secure. For more information on our new products, email us at sales@hideawayracks.com.